Good Sunday morning. Today will be a dry day from start to finish. It'll be a great opportunity to take advantage of it, especially given that it is the last day of the holiday weekend, because for the week ahead, we do have daily chances for rain. Today, with partly to mostly sunny skies, light and variable winds, we'll see high temperatures reaching the low 80s. Tonight, skies will turn partly cloudy. Lows will fall into the low to mid 60s. It'll be in our far northwestern counties after 4 a.m. An isolated thunderstorm will be possible. Further southward, though, dry with lows in the low to mid 60s. For our Monday forecast, after 4 a.m. lasting all day long, our northern counties will have the opportunity for some scattered thunderstorms. Severe weather is not favored here, but an isolated stronger storm is not impossible. The further southeast you are, it'll just be the chance of an isolated afternoon thunderstorm popping up. Otherwise, we'll have partly sunny skies. Tuesday will feature another chance at a few scattered storms, but then our attention will turn to Wednesday, when we will have the potential for some widespread rain coming our way. And the reason is what will become the remnants of Hurricane Beryl. Right now, this morning, it's a tropical storm expected to make landfall in Texas as a hurricane and then turn to the northeast and head in our direction. Now, yesterday, I told you this high pressure to our north may suppress the low pressure and keep it further southward. However, there's another high pressure in the Atlantic Ocean that's steering this low pressure a little bit further to the north, and that sends it closer to us. So we will have the opportunity for some heavy rainfall on Wednesday from the remnants of Hurricane Beryl. Here's another look at this. Notice the jet stream digs south into Texas, picks up that low pressure that was Beryl, and then makes it move towards the north and east. And as it comes our way towards Wednesday, that's when we could see some heavy rain. Looking beyond that now towards next weekend, the hot weather will build out along the western half of the United States, and it'll be right along this jet stream pattern here. Remember that ring of fire pattern along the edge of that heat dome? That's where the thunderstorm clusters like to set up. So that's what we will be watching as we head towards next weekend and even early the following week. Here's another look as we head towards Wednesday. This low pressure here is the remnants of Hurricane Beryl, and it could give us some heavy rain in the area on Wednesday. Wednesday could be a very wet day and perhaps a washout if indeed that rain comes right at us. Some lingering showers will then be possible on Thursday. So this morning, Tropical Storm Beryl is moving northwestward. It's expected to strengthen into a Category 1 hurricane before making landfall in Texas later tonight. After it makes landfall, it weakens, moves northward, and then turns towards the northeast. And you can see the cone here from the National Hurricane Center takes it right over the lower peninsula of Michigan as we head towards the mid to late week time frame. And that's why we could see some heavy rain, especially as we work into Wednesday. So it's a pretty broad outlook right now in terms of all the green area here, but heavy rain does look to be possible as we head towards Wednesday. Very similar to a winter storm situation several days out. There is uncertainty on exactly how much rain we'll see, but there is the potential that we could see several inches of rain out of this as it comes in our direction. So we will be watching Wednesday very closely for the potential of some heavy rain. Otherwise, we'll have partly to mostly sunny skies for today, 83, 86 for us on Monday. An isolated chance of an afternoon thunderstorm southeast. There will be a better chance of some scattered storms once you get to the Great Lakes Bay region and points northward. A few more scattered storms possible Tuesday. A potential wet day on Wednesday as the Beryl brings us some heavy rainfall. It looks like rain will be the primary threat from this. The winds do not look overly strong. Highs in the 70s are favored Wednesday and Thursday. We'll then warm into the 80s through the late week period and heading into next weekend.